Hi everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to swap a cylinder on your EVO system. The first thing we're going to do is remove the top cover. To do that, we are going to open the door and then unscrew the two screws that are located here and here that are holding the top cover down. Once those screws are off, we are going to rock the back cover off from the back lip, tilt it up, disconnect all wires, and set our top cover in a safe spot. Here, we have our two cylinders that are held on by these two belts. To remove the cylinders, you're going to want to first remove the belts by pulling them up over this pulley mount. We're also going to set these somewhere safe. Now we're going to remove the cylinders. To remove the cylinders, simply rotate them out past the retainer bearing and pull up, and they will release. One thing to note is make sure that the bearing down here doesn't come up with your cylinder. If it does, just make sure to pull it off the cylinder and put it back in that donut assembly down there. Now to replace our cylinder, we're going to take our new cylinder and we're going to align up this cylinder with the bearing down there and push down to fully seat it. Once it's fully seated, you should notice that the cylinder will sink flush with relative to the idler bearing here. So as you can see, it is now sunk below the level of the idler bearing, so I know it's in place. I'm going to grab my two belts and put them back on the cylinder and their respective pulley mounts. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little spin just to make sure everything is moving smoothly. And so now we're going to go ahead and reassemble. We're going to put our top cover back on by connecting all the wires. Mounting the back bracket on the back lip of the system. Pushing up so we hear it snap into place. I'm then going to replace the two screws holding down the top cover. And with that, we've replaced our cylinders.